Annyeonghaseyo. Hi, welcome back to Jhope World. I have another Jhope unboxing. I have it covered up with some stickers, so I'm just gonna turn this over and we'll get it open and let's get a look inside. Okay, here it is. Just gotta get the tape off of it. It's a Jhope calendar. It says like a heaven for Jhope. I'm gonna pause this and come back once I get the tape off of here. Let's take a look inside here. There's some stuff on the back. Oh, there it is. It says like a heaven. So this is the original package that it came in. Looks like the name of the goods is called Tonight. So that's who had made this. So yeah, okay. Take everything out. Comes with a poster. The seller said it was kind of damaged, the poster, probably in shipping or something when they received it. Yeah, I can see the wrinkles in it. We got some cards, stickers, and a DVD. Oh, Polaroids. Oh my gosh. Oh, yes, I forgot those were in there. And so yeah, the DVD. So I guess we'll take a look at the smaller items first, and we'll come and look at this last. Okay, get the DVD out of the way here. Look forward to checking this out. So yeah, it's copied DVD. Take a look at the little stickers. Oh, they're so cute. Little Hobie stickers. They're all the same thing, it looks like. So 3 sheets of same stickers. Really cute. Okay, take a look at the little PCs, and then we'll take a look at the Polaroid. Okay, let's see. Ooh, pictures on the back too. And he's in one of those snapback caps. Yeah, I love it when you can see his face fully. Forehead and all. But oh my gosh, he's so adorable in this picture. This was during his rookie days. So cute. So it must be, yeah, image on the back, just like the front. Oh my gosh. Another rookie day picture. He's so cute. Oh no, Hobie's coming to get us. Ah. That's fine. Hobie can come get me. Catch me if you can, Hobie. Ooh, very nice. These are like a satiny kind of quality, or matted, I mean. Yeah, matted, but they are flimsy, not really sturdy, but that's fine. Oh my gosh, look how cute he is in bunny ears. So precious. Oh, his wee smile and dimples. Too cute. Oh, there he is in that. You know, I remember them dancing in these uniforms. Make me think of sailors. And then there's the back one. Oh my gosh. If it'll focus. Wow. Wow, wow. These PCs are very, very, very nice. And it looks like I got 6 of them. And, okay, now it's time to take a look at the Polaroids. Oh, I love this picture. So cute. I love it when he wears beanies. They are so adorable on him. Ooh, I have more than one, okay. Oh, several, okay. All right, nothing on the back. So precious. Oh, these were cute. Okay, so those are the Polaroids. So far that's the goods here. I'm gonna go ahead and move these out of the way and we'll take a look at the calendar. As I was getting ready to put these away, I found out there is one card hiding behind here. That's why I thought this wasn't the same image. Wow, look how good looking he is. So stunning. So that's why that one was on the back of that one. It was stuck together. So actually I got 7 PCs. Yep. Okay. I just had to point that out before I moved on. Okay, let's take a look through the calendar and then we'll look at the poster. This is one of those desktop ones where you can stand it up like that. I'll flip it around to the other side to see the full pictures. Now this is an older calendar, it's not from this year. We got Hobie's birthday on the 18th of February, yeah. He looks like he's really enjoying that drink of water. It's almost like sexy drinking water. Sexy Hobie drinking water, yes. Oh, his little puffy cheeks. Like a little chipmunk. Yeah, it's cutesy photos, I love those. Got a fan sign. Ooh. Pointing at us. Looking us right in the eye. Yes, Hobie, I'm yours. Oh yeah, the Polaroid of this one. I like that. Got a little kind of smirk going on there. Probably not, you know, the kind of the moment. Maybe he was saying something. It's so cute though. Love that smile. His laugh. I love his voice. I love his laugh. And I love his smile. It's just contagious. Okay, now to show the other side. Ooh, I like him in the like college jacket and wearing the snapback, fastback, whatever, cap. Oh my gosh. College Hobie, very cute. Oh, I love him in the glasses, the little circle glasses. He looks warm here, but not very warm here. He like needs something to wrap around his neck and chest there. The finger hearts and the smile. Gotcha. I like the onstage pictures too. So many good ones of him. Oh, Hobie playing tennis. He said that's what he wanted to be if he wasn't a singer and dancer, is that he wanted to be a tennis player. Which we got to see him play some tennis on one of the BTS Run episodes. Ooh, Officer Jung Ho Sek. Yes, officer, I will obey you. Yes, sir. Cute. Wow, this has some nice pictures. Even though this ain't the right year, you know, I can see myself using this. Like his hat. Okay, that was it. That was pretty nice. Now to take a look at the poster that comes with it. Raise the camera up here for this. Oh, there it is. That's the poster. Oh, so cute. Okay, so that is the video unboxing of Like a Heaven Fansite from I think it's called Tonight, and I'm gonna lay out everything in the next clip so you can take a look at everything. Thanks for tuning in and checking out my unboxing of this Hobie Fansite good, Like a Heaven for Jhope from Tonight. I hope that you enjoyed it. I will put a link to my other Fansite Hobie unboxings in this description, and I'll try to put a card in here as well. So thank you again. Annyeong. Bye.